Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So tonight we're just going to do some snaps and see what kind of things we have going on when it comes to burps, farts, whatever comes out of me, guys. So we have some Skinny Pop, and if you know me and paid attention, my favorite popcorn is sweet and salty kettle corn. Best, guys. Any brand, as long as it's sweet and salty kettle corn. So we got that. And then, let's move this stuff out of here. Okay. And then, again, Skinny Pop. White cheddar, guys. Oh, pour it a little bit. White cheddar. Have you ever mixed sweet and salty kettle corn with white cheddar, mix it together in a bowl, and eat it like that? Bomb, guys. You should try it. Mixing the two flavors together. Very good. And Red Hot. Cinnamon. Breathe fire, guys. We'll see. Super sour and then sweet. Patch Kids. Sour Nerds. Ever had them? Kind of remind me, they kind of look like sour Skittles. But they're new, guys. Sour Nerds. My first time with these. Excited to try those. And last but not least, of course, you know, I've already eaten Tabasco beef jerky, sour punch rainbow straws. Alrighty. So, let's have a little bit more. And today we are doing Coke. Whoop. We are doing Coke. So, everyone getting their kids ready for school? School's around the corner. This distance learning is crazy. I guess they're saying that kids are going to be on the web for 3 to 4 hours. Some even longer. Just depends the grade you're in. Oh, already starting. People should be registering their kids for school. I guess they don't need a school shop for clothes. Some might not. Get some beef jerky going. So I want to apologize for being off media almost like a week. Just been going through a lot. Tired. I hurt my leg. I don't know what I did. I've been in a lot of pain. So, but I'm back. I'm back. I want to say thank you. I think we have like 60 subscribers. I'm actually really shocked, guys, that I even have that amount of subscribers. Oh, excuse me. Sorry about that. That amount of subscribers, guys. I appreciate it. Love you guys all. Thanks for the support. Would love to hit 1,000 subscribers. In time, I know it'll happen. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, comment below. So, let's try the new Sour Nerds. Let's see what kind of puckery faces and burps or farts it makes me do. Tell you if they're good or not. Oh, these guys are pretty big, actually. Wow, check that out, guys. Oh, I didn't even read until right now. When I get things, if there's something that I want, I just grab. I don't look at the price. Unless it's on sale and it's like $4 for $4, then I'll get 4 different varieties. Like these were 4 for $4. These 4 for $4, so they were $1 each. But so these actually say Sour Big Chewy Nerds. Says sweet and crunchy outside and sour and chewy inside. They're good. Different than a regular nerd, but they're good. I wonder how many I could fit in my mouth. Oh, like pour them in my mouth. Oh, last one. Sour Punch Rainbow Straws. One of every color. Trying to get the sourness strong. Sour candy is actually my favorite candy. I can actually handle sour stuff really well. I knew it was there. Let's go with some hot. Red hot. We're gonna fire up our mouth. And these are small, so you can actually... Oh, that's a lot. I'm not gonna hold them in there. Can you guys burp with cinnamon red hot in your mouth at the same time? I just did. Oh, when I burp, tastes fiery because I have all these in my mouth. All right, guys. Good night.